Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Tailscale connectivity to your VPS. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To restore Tailscale connectivity to your VPS, start by accessing your server through SSH. Log in with your credentials. Check the status of the Tailscale service by running the command sudo tailscale status. If the service is inactive, you will need to restart it. Use the command sudo tailscale up. This will authenticate your device and bring it back online. If you encounter any errors, check the Tailscale logs for specific issues. Run the command sudo tailscale bug report. This command will generate a report, providing insights into what might be wrong. Review the error messages for clues about the connectivity issue. If the service shows as running but you still have issues, verify your firewall settings. Ensure that UDP port 41641 is open in your firewall. Also, make sure that outgoing connections to Tailscale's relay servers are not blocked. If everything seems fine, check your Tailscale account for any permission issues. Log into the Tailscale admin console and confirm that your VPS is still listed. Sometimes, simply removing the device from your account and re-adding it can resolve connectivity issues. Use the command sudo tailscale logout, followed by sudo tailscale up to re-authenticate. If you are using a static IP, confirm it has not changed. You may need to reconfigure your network settings if there have been changes. Finally, test the connectivity by pinging another node on your Tailscale network. If the ping is successful, your Tailscale connectivity is restored. If you still experience issues, consider reaching out to Tailscale support for further assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.